simple, fastest to learn, easiest to learn. Do you believe it? Welcome to YouTube channel U.E.C Jepara, the Center of Indonesia Language Information and Creation from Jepara Central Java Indonesia. Okay, in this video I would like to say thank you because you see my video. My name is Ali Mahmudi, and then I come from Indonesia, and in this video we would like to discuss and learn together about how to study Bahasa Indonesia. We focus to discuss about learn Indonesia language, and then Indonesia alphabet, how to read Bahasa Indonesia, how to write Bahasa Indonesia, how to speak Bahasa Indonesia, and how to listen Bahasa Indonesia well. This is the Indonesian tutorial, or maybe you can call with Indonesia lesson. And I think this video will be fastest video to learn Indonesia. And then the easiest to learn Bahasa Indonesia also. Why? Because we talk together, we will discuss together about Indonesian pronunciation, Indonesian grammar, basic Indonesian lesson, and basic Indonesian course, of course. Okay, I will give you suggestion that motivates you think that Indonesia or Bahasa Indonesia is the simplest way. Simple ways to study, simple ways to speak, simple ways to master. The first example for you. If you say I love you, if you say I don't love you, both of them are similar sentence in Indonesia also. If I translate to Bahasa Indonesia, I love you, aku cinta kamu. I don't love you, aku tidak cinta kamu. Tidak. That's the point we will discuss in this video. Tidak. I don't love you. Don't, it's mean tidak. She doesn't love you. Doesn't, it's mean tidak. I am not teacher. Not, it's mean tidak. You are not worker. Are not means tidak. She is not a teacher. Is not, it's mean tidak. So, tidak in Bahasa Indonesia is very simple. In English, you will find so many tidak. It can be didn't, it can be doesn't, it can be don't, it can be are not, is not, am not, and many others. Okay, from this video, do you believe that Bahasa Indonesia simple, fastest to learn, easiest to learn? Do you believe it? Yep. If you believe it, please don't forget like, comment, and subscribe this video. And I will come back in the next video with the hot discussion about how to study Bahasa Indonesia well. Thanks for your attention and see you in the next video.